and you know I be on the way.
What are we doing today, George? Well, I'm going to tell you. We stopped over at GPO to check out their new design center. And we're going to hang out with Jimmy for the day. It's going to be awesome.
Hey, it's GPO Jimmy. We are installing the topside bulkhead brace today, so you're going to have some protection against the movement of the handle pole, and we're going to get started with that install right away. So we want to make sure that we're to the inside of here. So really it's down in this area that you got to focus to make sure that it's not too wide, because it was designed to be right there, right on the inside of that line. And then we want to roll that just like this. Alright, so let's take a look at this wrench. Come around the back side of it. Yep. And make sure that that's even. That's it right there, isn't it? Yep.
Only that.
Yeah, you can bring this.
Oh, they'll move beyond.
Yep. That's why you do these bottom two first.
Yeah.
And then you can flex those, and then we'll pin one up here.
Yeah.
And then it'll should be pretty simple. All this tape was really to protect the ski while this was riding on it. Rather protect the paint that's on here than it's going to change the look of the ski. First rivet's going in.
It'll make a pretty good fit.
Yeah, so I would go here on this corner.
Yeah.
Anything that's high rise right now,
yeah.
Let's get those tucked down tight.
Okay.
So you can start.
Come up here.
Yep.
And down.
Yep. And then we can go back and hit the ones that are low.
So we're just checking out some things around the shop here. Let's go check out the plasma cutter. What do you think there, Chief?
How long did it take you to sand that 750? That hull was in just as bad. That's the hull.
Oh, this is the one I gave you?
Yeah, that's the hull that you gave me.
Oh, okay.
And when I got this one, there was two huge holes on that side that I had to patch.
Yeah.
And then there was a huge one right in here
Yeah.
that I had to patch. And all the bearing seals were bad in this, so this thing was just sunken, and the motor ran, but it was shot. So this was the second ski that we had done a GPO bumper for, and so this is basically the beginning of GPO in the family of bumpers. It really started with my daughter's 550 and this 650 that I bought for myself to rebuild. I mean, it looks good now, but when I first got it, it was an absolute nightmare. It probably should have ended up in the dumpster, but I felt like, You know, it was my past, it was my history. I wanted to bring it back. I wanted to salvage it. It was just, I brought it back to a point where now I'm ready to move it to a new ski and put this one up on the wall. It's kind of, you know, this is kind of the history of GPO, how it started.